And this is day one of the concrete slab installation. Coming out, they're going to frame it, put it down where we're going to have the garage positioned. This is the far corner of it, leading into my backyard. I'll keep progress updated along the way as they progress, move some of the dirt around, get everything set up, and get the slab completely finished.
Here's a look at that left side finished. Took them about 4 hours today of working on this. Didn't really take too long. They're gonna knock this other half out tomorrow, and then the slab will be completely finished. They're leaving it smooth. That way, if I want to go ahead and paint it, put in epoxy flooring, that's exactly what I want to do. I think that'll just help with any oil and grease, any kind of stains, of course, that may happen. And next, after the slab's finished, we just need to wait for the building to arrive, have them install that. Then I'd like to, of course, do electrical and some sort of insulation, also cooling. Then we can get the front of the garage, get the concrete laid down in the front of the garage as well, and create that driveway. But that'll be it for today. I'll get out here tomorrow, and I'll just get the finished product of the rest of the slab once they remove everything. And that'll be it for this portion. And here's a look at the slab completely finished, guys. After they finished the initial part, I went ahead and added another, it's 20 feet deep by 15 long. I wanted to go in all the way to the end of the fence because I was originally going to put like a carport there, something to cover a car or maybe a trailer in the future. But I decided to extend the garage and have what's called a lean-to, which is like an area of it that kind of like is a canopy which extends off the roof. You'll see it in the next video when I have the garage completely assembled. But I parked my CRX next to it, that way you guys can get an idea of the scope of size. I should be able to fit a handful of cars in here. Like if I wanted to park them sideways, not in front and back, I could squeeze 3 like in those little areas, but probably have about 4 or 5 cars parked in here, and that was my goal. I know I have a lot in the backyard right now, but I don't intend on keeping all those. I want to have maybe about 5, potentially 6 that I'm going to keep for the long haul. So tune in next week, guys. That's going to be the full video of them erecting the garage and having it completely finished. We'll see you guys next week.
Very good.